Michael Elliot Epps is an American stand-up comedian, producer, and actor. He played Day Jones in Next Friday and its sequel, Friday After Next, and also appeared in The Hangover and The Hangover Part 3 as Black Doug. He was the voice of main character Boog in Open Season 2, replacing Martin Lawrence, with whom he starred in the comedy Welcome Home Roscoe Jenkins, playing Reggie, cousin of Roscoe. He played Lloyd Jefferson L.J. Wade in the films Resident Evil, Apocalypse and Resident Evil, Extinction. He has had starring roles in the sitcoms Uncle Buck and The Upshaws. Epps was born and raised in Indianapolis, Indiana, the son of Mary Reed and Tommy Epps. In his adulthood, Epps moved to Brooklyn to star in Def Comedy Jam in 1994. Epps ended up on the Def Comedy Jam tour and starred in 2 of HBO's Def Comedy Jam broadcasts. Epps began his professional career by joining the Def Comedy Jam tour in 1995 and starred in 2 of HBO's Def Comedy Jam broadcasts. Epps' first on-screen appearance came in Vin Diesel's second directorial film, Strays, in 1997. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.